Hi, my name's Rory Mackay. I was a store management intern with Kohl's in Opelika, and that consisted of manager's duties such as truck orders, opening and closing the store, merchandising the store, replenishing products, etc. I found it on LinkedIn. I applied on LinkedIn. I had 2 interviews over Google Meets, one with a recruiter and then one with a district manager and a store manager in Alabama. Turnaround time was about 2 weeks. I most enjoyed setting up displays, and 3 of the most important things I learned were management experience, always be willing to help your employees, and try your best because it shows. And my advice to any intern would be open to trying any internship because you never know what you're going to like.